Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. 11 high-profile people in the world that are infected with coronavirus. You pity number 4. In December 2019, China announced that a virus by the name coronavirus had struck its country. The virus, which emanated from Wuhan, was said to have come from wild animals. Ever since the virus came alive, it has spread to 6 continents in the world apart from Antarctica. The virus has hit over 105 countries worldwide, with over 130,000 people confirmed to have caught it, which has led to the death of over 4,000 people. One mysterious thing about the virus is it is one that has come for all, not respecting societal status or affluence and wealth. It finds its potential victim either rich or poor and it strikes them. Since the virus broke out, there has been a lot of high-profile people such as ministers, presidents of countries, even top sports movie celebrities that have been infected by the virus, which the WHO named to be COVID-19. You might not be aware of these people, but checking the list below will keep you informed. The first person on the list is Mikel Arteta, Arsenal FC coach. After the Arsenal game against Olympiacos, the news about Olympiacos owner went viral, and that brought about the need for the Arsenal team to test for coronavirus. Unfortunately, the club head coach Mikel Arteta became the only member of the team that tested positive to coronavirus. Number 2, Tom Hanks and wife Rita Wilson. Popular Nollywood actor and his wife Rita Wilson got in contact with coronavirus while on a movie shoot in Australia. The couple announced their status on Twitter last week. Number 3, Heshan Johajiri, Iran Vice President. Iran's first Vice President, Heshan Johajiri, has also been infected with the novel coronavirus. According to a list published by an Iranian publication, he is one out of a good number of Iran government officials infected with the virus. Number 4, Callum Hudson-Odoi, Chelsea FC footballer. Popular Chelsea FC footballer is part of the first cases of coronavirus victims in football. He took to Twitter to declare that he is positive after showing minor symptoms, and according to him, he is getting better with the help of medical experts. Number 5, Rudy Gobert, Utah basketball player. He is one of the NBA players to get diagnosed with coronavirus. Few being tested for the virus, the basketball player declared that he wished he took the coronavirus pandemic more seriously. Number 6, Donovan Mitchell, Utah basketball player. According to reports, Donovan Mitchell got infected with coronavirus courtesy his teammate Rudy Gobert. While speaking about the virus, he said, "The scariest thing is that he still doesn't feel sick after being tested positive." Number 7, Daniele Rugani, Juventus FC footballer. Juventus announced that the club's centre-back Daniele Rugani tested positive for coronavirus even when he was not showing symptoms. This made the club activate isolation procedures for him and every other person that had close contact with him. Number 8, Sophie Trudeau, Canada Prime Minister's wife. A statement issued from the office of Canada Prime Minister's office revealed that the wife of the PM, Sophie Trudeau, got tested positive for coronavirus after she returned from a trip to London. She was quickly placed in isolation alongside, and recent reports revealed that the Prime Minister's wife is feeling well already. Number 9, Fabian Wijngaarden, Brazil public officer. He is the press secretary for the Brazilian president. He was tested positive for coronavirus last week Thursday after meeting US President Donald Trump in Florida. Number 10. Timo Hubers, Hannover footballer. After suspecting that he might have contracted coronavirus, Hannover defender Timo Huber turned himself in for a test. He tested positive and his club has also confirmed his status. It was suspected that the player contracted the virus at an event he attended at Hildesheim. 11. Evangelos Marinakis, Olympiacos FC owner. After so many football involvement in the midst of coronavirus outbreak, Olympiacos FC owner and Nottingham Forest majority owner informed the world that he is COVID-19 positive. It was suspected that Arsenal manager contacted the virus from Marinakis after the match that saw the Gunners bow out of the Europa League. Okay guys, this is the end of the list we compiled. We wish them a speedy recovery, and we all should not forget coronavirus has become a pandemic. God save us all. Okay guys, among them, who do you feel for the most? Drop your comments in the section below. And if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when it's